Odd. Hynny mi eich áte son tuanas. Oh god. Tuanas. Right. Okay, before gyda's rydgyn si on here. Si am mit yr Ah, sinna. Sinna rydyn, ie. Fel ac am ri sgrasi yn y sin. Ah, sinna siar. Cur symbols, right.
Damn troll magic.
Troll magic. Sinna gyda. Ach, aye, yeah. Yeah, so... Ach, aye, yeah, no. I mean, hein... Ir a switch had ddíreach ar an switch in nai ciad game a chud sa féo reich gachga son am Nollaige so ha mi fiach ein riví is a good glích agus na agus gun a bhí ceannach sin nu gas cattle farmer se le tú hannas cro a sin dá as go Robin Sorp a mi fiach yn rili glich agus gun gemich yn y chanach ra am yn ol ddíreach éad achos gyfeil dyn Yuletide gemich yn y chanach ra mar gybych ach ha darif ha Joe gemich yn ach wel ha Game Pass acum mar sin ha chanach mi rydych yn hast ach Sea of Thieves Destiny 2 agus Forza acum mi son Fable chlich i ddíistach a chanach mi a gefo seo Sgannol hyn, yeah. Ha mi smention gyda Joe Alma Hans yn Nollaige son is a gyd uniolyn dyn Leanna ein. Okay, sy'n dal y frin ri syniad eisiau. Nio che eisiau. O'r leis gyfel na ffeil sy'n reich gydal. Ha sy'n gwma ffeimol. Aye. It's a Game Pass ddíreach Leanna.
By the gods of Asgard, what happened to this place? What's happened here?
Eivor's here! Thank the gods above! Though it seems they have forsaken us. I am sorry to tell you, Eivor, Tekla is gone.
Quite Tekla.
What? Dead?
No. She's on an errand and left her apprentice in charge. It was him who did all this.
Who is this apprentice?
A fellow called Ake.
Ake.
He'll know what happened here. You need to find him.
Me? Why not you?
Somebody's got to clean up this mess. Besides, I'm startlingly drunk. You go on.
Okay. A lot of... Okay.
My cup.
Cavela. Hi, Joe. Aster a hiw. And the Cluicheamaid Hamiad Hades a chluich is feed halama. Hi, I can make a switch. I guess I'm switching a key at the game. I can't mirrors on the switch. Ha chochoma. Had ddíreach aid cross save a chud net ar a switch agus a PC so good you can find me at a PC chuteach ag ámar characan ha ddíreach ama go hain ungin gemich in a seara a hanig amach a bliana gun chéist sa bí right can't you do féime mi hat chu fa mi dúil go big is good na Hurstead Yule Festival fa mi dúil go big barach it dal an a Ravenstark because nach big acumri dal shit sa shows who are de Leanna féimi to chluich a stream yeah got you German ha leis go bhéile capture card ac of inis go sinní anu vanna switch hain yeah got you German as a blinúd ha cho ma game le ma ha mi click a game seo mar go Breath of the Wild ha mi díocht na gunú good díoch ech ein a gin sa bí ha mi fiach Henry agin art a larach agus son hí a gíteach bhuapa
That must be okay. It would seem drunk some of the best trackers.
Right, thursday that must be Akeach, and Misha.
My eyes, Sinn.
Oh, shit. Aye. Gee, how's it? Okay.
Down there. But where are the barrels?
You. Are you okay?
Who's asking?
Do you not know me? I am Tekla's friend Eivor. I want to know why you left her brewery in shambles.
Take that back. I'd never do such a thing. It was those Saxon bandits. And I'm gonna slay every last one of them.
Bandits. In Ravensthorpe.
They seem nice enough. I invited them to try Tekla's new brew. We get drinking, and the next thing I wake up, and the barrels are gone. Now that you're here, we can solve this together. With our fists.
You got bandits drunk. They behaved as bandits do, and now you seek violence. Okay. You're not in a state to solve problems.
Oh no? Well, how about I show you the kind of state I'm in? You'll see.
I'm at that.
Lower your fists. We can go back to the brewery until you sober up.
Enough talk. Have at me.
Okay. Nicht gehen wir daheim mit Click again, schon. Schön. Okay.
I will be the greatest brewmaster who ever lived.
Oh. Well, it's Machiavel me kind of mar a chluichas me game seo iad an éad a seo an éad mar boss near again.
Looks like you do.
Cym a chluich me game seo mi should get clá. Yeah. Should about have ich fi faracking gajach.
I traveled across the sea to study under a master brewer. Tekla entrusted me with her finest ale, and I lost it. If you knew what it was like to fear losing the faith of the one you admire, you would not be so callous.
I will make you a deal. We'll go get the barrels back. But I will do it. You wait at the boat. No more fighting.
Very well. It must be with the bandits. Call if you need help. Between you and me, your left jab could use a little work.
Emma then. Right.
Show me what lies ahead.
Cavill. Okay. She's lying. Kan jag screen er sån isgein Cavilla. Skien je could be a female Ukraine. Yep. Únia na chluich mi game seo ha callas. Sin na séad. Keely's heel and hinnach.
Best not to draw attention here.
Ach, cool. Ah, should not. Right. Hotbech. Right, stay in noch.
Know those barrels anywhere. She truly is a master.
Ai, ai, ai.
Remain steadfast.
Right. Usa. Dat guy is niet. Oh, meer weer. Ja, maar mis moet je. Right. Nicht.
It's back to
Shisha.
Marcus' boat.
Na, Jan, Con.